And it is day 2 of Songkran here in Patong, Phuket. Now guys, yesterday was more about the softer side of Songkran, when people go and spend time with their families, they do a big house clean, all that sort of stuff to get ready for the new year, fresh blessings. Today is about celebration. Now we got a bit of a late start in today because we did party last night, a little bit. And this guy's gone a step backwards with his croaky voice today.
Oh, plenty of people been in here.
Oh yeah, wet floor. What we thought we'd do today is just focus on the celebration and the party and really get stuck into it. So
it's almost evening now, because last night we were pretty much done by 10.
Yeah, last night we were a bit soft, but we did start quite early. So tonight I should say, we're just gonna party with the rest of them.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because this is going to be crazy. Alright guys, let's have a look. Alright, approaching Sansabai. And you know, if the party's reached all the way down here, Bangalore is just going to be insane. Okay guys, time to get wet now. Okay, let's go.
copyright kicks in. How you feeling?
I feel pretty good, just party mode. And let me just say that this is bottle number 2 of the same song. And we're already halfway through. So we're making pretty good progress. It's definitely party mode.
Okay, let's go. Guys, seriously, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for enjoying our content. Please give us a big thumbs up. Please, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you like bringing you content, we want to bring you more content. Please jump on, subscribe, get the notifications. Come on, tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your friends. We hope to see you again soon in the next video. I hope you can hear me over this music. I hope YouTube doesn't get us copyright infringement for this music. All I can say is it's a massive night. It's an awesome night. You'll have to come to Songkran in Thailand. Guys, seriously, please enjoy the view.
Alright team, that is it. That is Songkran day 2. A bit dark here, you probably can't see me. Let's wait till we get in the light a little bit here. How about that? Songkran day 2, done and dusted. Not sure if we're going to go back out again. I'm thinking no for this point. We're just going to order some food on Food Pan to have it delivered so I can get food without getting wet, because we're on kind of like a back street of Soy Sansabai here. And as soon as you walk out to that main part of Sansabai, there's water everywhere. There's no escaping it. I would kind of like to have a meal where I'm not soggy and wet. But we'll see how we go. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, share it with your mum, share it with anyone you know. It really helps us out and it costs you nothing. And if you like this video, perhaps consider subscribing. Until then, we'll see you in the next one. Catch ya.